So here's a quick demonstration on how easy to use the Fellows Saturn 3i 125 laminator. Me personally, I have to study my geography, so my plan is to laminate this so I can take a dry erase marker and just kind of write all over it and then go over again so I can get that study in. Again, like I said, I'm gonna show you how fast it is to actually use this. So the Fellows laminator has different settings. You have a 3mm, 4mm, and also 5mm. This is a 3mm piece of paper here, where also you come with 10 sheets of 3mm paper that come with your laminator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my paper, open up my lamination paper, and I'm just going to put it in there. I'm going to set it, and I'm going to close it, and I'm just going to slide it on, and you'll see the brackets letter. And I'm just going to line it up and just let it go. And it doesn't take long. Just let it do its thing, and then when it comes out, it's going to be all done. And yeah, now it's really cool. It doesn't take long to warm up. Once you turn it on, just give it a couple moments for it to warm up, and it's all good and ready to go. And of course, like I said before, you can get other different size papers as well for laminating. And as you can see, we're almost done. All right, and there we go. Feel just like that, and I can just take my dry erase marker, and there we go. And I can erase it if I want, and I can keep studying for my test. Give you a closer look at the Fellows, the Saturn. Again, 3, 4, 5mm cooldown. You have different sizes, one for a menu if you want to print a menu, one for a size, and of course photo as well, so you can laminate all those memories or papers and cherish and protect your memories or whatever it is. All right, hope this demonstration helped you out. Take care. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.